Morning Standard 7. Today's topic is editing in Excel 2010. Okay. Editing means what? Editing means some changes that we want to make. Some changes or any change or making change in the content of cell or cells is called editing. So we often need to change the existing data or make correction in them. Okay, that is called editing. First up, we will see selecting cell. Selecting cell. This is the first thing that you have to do is to select the cell or cell in which you want to make changes. A cell or a range of cells can be selected by simply the dragging and clicking the mouse on the cells or holding down the shift key and press arrow key. Okay, shift plus arrow, shift plus arrow, any arrow. You may use this, either of one. According to that, the selected will be shifted. Okay. Now, question arises: how to selecting a cell? Click on the cell that you want to select, and the cell becomes the active cells and displays a thick border. That is selecting cells. Okay. You just click on the cells, a border line will be displayed surrounding the cells. That means selected cell is selected. Selecting a row. Selecting a row. Click on the leftmost cell of the row you want to select and drag the mouse pointer to the right until you highlight all the cells that you want to get selected in the row. Then to select the multiple rows, drag the mouse pointedly, okay, like this, left to right or right to left. That helps you to mark horizontally all the rows. Okay. Selecting columns also same things. Selecting columns, click on the topmost cells of the cells that you want to select and then drag the mouse pointer until you highlight all the cells you want to get selected in the columns. Okay. And for selecting the group of cells, place the pointer, okay, this like pointer plus sign, okay. Place your mouse pointer over the first cell that you want to select and drag the mouse until you highlight all the cells that you want to select it or that you want to select. Okay. Next step comes editing in a worksheet. Okay. Editing in a worksheet. In Excel, you can make change or correct the mistakes. The mistakes are required. To edit the data, following steps have to follow. What? How to edit the data? First step, that double click. Okay. Double click on the cell containing the data you want to edit. Then press the arrow key, any of the arrow. Okay. Press the arrow key from the keyboard to move the intersections or insertion point from where you want to remove or add the characters. Then to remove the characters, to the left of the flashing insertion point, press the backspace. Okay. Then to remove, what we will say, we will do is backspace. Okay. Backspace key from the keyboard. And then if we want to add some data or you want to enter some data to the selected space, then type the data or you can say enter data that you want to add and then what? Press enter from the keyboard. That is how editing data in the worksheet. Now see, moving and copying the data. Moving and copying the data. Moving, what do you mean by moving the data from one place to another place, and how do we copy the data from one place, one folder to the another folder, or from one file to the another file. Moving data means to recognize the data in the worksheet. When you move the data disappear from original place ever. Okay, by moving data, because that data is already moved to the next folder. So originally where it was will be disappeared from there or that place. Copying data means repeating the data in the worksheet without retyping the data. Okay, that means it exists in the both the place to which you have copied and from where you have copied. So in both the place data will be originally located previously and newly. Okay. Now the word steps that we have to follow to remove or copy the data. Like first step 1 is select the cell. Select the cell that you want or that contains the data you want to move or copy. Okay. In that, then go to home tab. Go to home tab and click on the copy. Now click on copy options present in the clipboard groups. Okay. And click on the cell where you want to place the data. Click on the cell. Click on cell where you want to place the data in the Word. Then after clicking there, 5 step, right click and then click on the paste option present in the clipboard. The selected data will be appeared in the new locations now. Right? Changing the column width. How to change the column width? By dragging. Also we can change. How to change? So that is place the mouse pointer like this symbol you will see. Place the mouse pointer over the right edge of the column headings and the mouse pointer changes to the what? This side. Now drag the column until the dotted lines disappear the column with you want and then columns display the new width. Okay. In the Excel you can do it very easily. And how to adjust the row? To adjust the row height, you can also click the mouse pointer or place the mouse pointer over the bottom edge of the row headings and then the mouse pointer changes the this size again. Then drag the row until the dotted line disappears, row height, and the row will be displayed the new height. Row will be displaying with the new heights. Okay. Inserting row, inserting columns. How to insert the row, insert the columns. Okay. That is also important and it used to come sometimes in the examination. That is to insert the row. First select the row above which you want to insert the new row. Then go to home tab. Then click on the insert drop down arrow present in the cell group. Then click on the insert sheet rows and the new row will appear and all rows that follow the shift downward. Shift downward means one step down. A new row will be added in the middle. For the column also same. Select the columns that you want to columns beside which you want to insert a new column. Then click on the home tab. Then click on insert options drop down arrow present in the cell groups and click on the insert sheet columns. A new column will appear and all the columns that follow shift to the right. So columns will be shifted to the right. Okay. This is all. And inserting cells also. Select the cell where that you want to or insert the new cells. Then Excel will insert the same number of cells as you select. In the first step, second step, go to the home tab. Third step, click on the insert option from the drop down arrow present on the cell group. Okay. Then click on the insert cell or insert cell sub option. Insert cell sub option will be consisted or the dialog box, insert dialog box appear with four options. Okay, one is shift cells right, second one is entire row, okay, or shift cell down, or entire column. Entire column. Okay, so click on the desired option among these four, then click on the desired option and click on the OK button to insert the cells. Now MS Excel insert the new cell and shift the surrounding cells into the in the directions that you have specified. Okay, and in next class this chapter will be finished. Thank you. See you in the next video. Okay.